So hello my Prices family and welcome back to the channel. We are still in the midst of spring deep cleaning for 2025. Today, Mom and I are on an adventure. We have a new laundromat that opened up in our town. And the funny thing about it is, it's on the same street that I grew up on as a little bitty princess. So yeah, we're taking you along. Today we're washing bedspreads, blankets, all of those good stuff that we could do at home, but it would take a long time because they are big bulky items. So let's go to the laundromat. Well, actually I'm already here, so let's go inside. I know, you're saying, Katrina, no Home Goods, no at the home store, no Lowe's. You're taking us on a field trip where? What? Yeah, to the laundromat, because I haven't been to the laundromat since 2018. Now that's a long time. As you can see, we switched sides because Mom says I need my laundry all by each other. So here I am needing a step stool to put in our laundry detergent and trying to figure out how to pay for this washing machine. And then the laundromat attendant steps in to show me how to get it done. So here's some tips. Always read the manufacturer's label before washing sheets and bed linens. Choose the hottest setting recommended, pre-treat stains, and select appropriate detergent for each type of fabric. Tumble dry on low to prevent shrinkage and damage to our precious linens. So how often should we wash them? I'm glad you asked. Sheets and pillowcases, weekly. Pillows with protectors, 3 times per year. Pillows without protectors, monthly. Blankets, once to twice per month. Comforters with covers, twice per year. Duvet covers, weekly to monthly. And mattress covers, monthly. Of course, if they touch your skin more, you're going through menopause like me, wash them more often. So as a kid, this was my favorite part of going to the laundromat. Getting the change because I felt rich. All of those coins. This location has been open for less than 3 months, so it still has that new smell nice and clean. Lots of places to sit inside and outside. But I wouldn't go on a Saturday morning. So Mom and I went, during the middle of the week, bright and early. So the smallest washing machine costs about $5.25 a load and goes up to about $11.50, which were the ones Mom and I use for our linen. So Mom and I just finished washing. You can see the linen, some blankets, some quilts. And it took us about maybe, how long? An hour, hour and a half? An hour, hour and a half. And we're laughing because, we don't normally come to the laundromat. So that wasn't too bad. And it's a new laundromat here in Moncks Corner, South Carolina. It's nice, spacious, clean. Please, people, let's keep it that way. Nice, spacious, clean, good air condition. Yeah. So that was our adventure today, and we spent about $25. How much, Ma?
40. two machines, and they were $15 each. So we spent about
$40 at the laundromat.
Just to wash blankets.
And you can see them in the back, and quilts and all of that good stuff. More stops. Of course, if we're in town, Mama has to go to the Walmart. Thank you so much for joining us today for our short outing. And this is another video in our deep cleaning spring series for 2025. So I'm out, and you know what I say on the way out. Make sure to like this video. Give it a big thumbs up, leave a kind comment below, and if you're new here, by all means, join my Priceless family by subscribing to the channel. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed, and remember, you are absolutely priceless. If you missed video 1 and 2 in my 2025 Spring Deep Cleaning series, well, go check those out right now. I'd appreciate it. Thanks.